Right now, the United States is drowning. It's not in an ocean of water, but in an ocean of digital ones and zeros. It's an ocean that can't be stopped by a dam, and there are no life jackets available. Most people think of debt as a future problem, a problem for their grandchildren. But the first domino of the debt supercycle just fell, and you are the one who is going to feel the impact. I used to be an investment banker. I've seen this movie before. Today, I'm going to show you why the thing you think is safety is actually a perfectly designed trap. Are you ready? For 15 years, interest rates were almost zero. It was free money for the government. If they wanted to borrow $1 trillion, the interest was negligible. They were addicted. But the party is over. Now the government has to renew its old, cheap debt at new, very expensive rates. Their monthly credit card bill has just gone from a small nuisance to their biggest single expense. But this isn't just a government problem. The consumer is exhausted. Buy now, pay later schemes are failing. Credit cards are maxed out. For 3 years, we lived on stimulus and cheap credit. Now the bill is due. When the consumer stops spending, the whole machine stops grinding. Tech, finance, and management jobs are getting emails at 8 a.m. Companies are cutting fat. Soon they will start cutting bone. So, how do you play a game where the rules change every hour? Rule number one, liquidity is your only friend. Stop chasing the 10 times moonshot. Start chasing the don't go broke strategy. In a flood, the man with the boat is richer than the man with the mansion. I used to be an investment banker. Now I just draw stickmen. But even a stickman can see the cliff. Stay safe.